All right, remember, this is clearly the Bangladeshi illegal immigration issue that has become the big war of words. It's Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar now who has cited a threat from the interior. Dhankar has said, I quote it here, "We are suffering illegal migration in this country of millions. If you count the number, it's mind-boggling." Dhankar says it is a problem we need to handle. It's because it's taking a shape of unmanageable dimensions. Let's listen in to what the Vice President and Rajya Sabha Chair has to say, and then we'll go across to our colleagues on the ground.
Illegal migration in this country of millions, if we go to count their number, mind-boggling. That illegal migration has to be dealt with, but it developed एक नासूर बन गया without even token of resistance. It is a problem we will have to handle because it is taking shape of unmanageable dimensions.
All right, so even Jagdeep Dhankar, the Vice President of the country, is looking at and is saying that this is taking unmanageable proportions as well and needs to be handled. Vidya, as we look at all these comments, do you think this could actually become a centre stage issue as well ahead of, let's say, the municipal elections for Mumbai? There are elections in Delhi as well. But do you think this national security issue, because if someone like this Shariful Islam can target Saif Ali Khan's residence, then many are wondering, what about the Aam Aadmi? How can these random individuals from another nation just walk into India and come to different cities?
In fact, though this particular incident, it was a freak incident because this accused did not know he was entering the residence of Saif Ali Khan. He was just entering any posh residence that he thought he could target, which had an easy access because of lack of security. Not many CCTV cameras, or the security personnel who were actually outside the building were also pretty lax. And that's one of the reasons why he went in. He didn't know that he was attacking the residence or getting into the residence of Saif Ali Khan. But imagine if someone actually had an intention, had someone with extremely bad plans in life, had actually decided to go in and target someone as a celebrity like Saif Ali Khan or Kareena Khan. So obviously, these issues were something that the state is looking into, and that's one of the reasons why this crackdown on the infiltration of Bangladeshi immigrants is something that is happening. And of course, as they say in municipal corporation elections, every single vote, there are people who lose by even one vote. Now, in that kind of election, if there are people, as the BJP has been alleging, that it is the Congress which has been having this appeasement policy wherein they are the ones who give out these kind of, voter I cards and Indian I cards to illegal immigrants to make sure that they vote for their party. On the other hand, it is the Congress which is now raising issues and saying that it is in your term that this entire porous border issue is really being seen, wherein the illegal immigrants are coming in now. So these kind of issues and backstabbing and talking about this entire issue will certainly go on. But
yes,
with just one voter who's an illegal immigrant, even with that one voter, the entire win or loss of a candidate can be decided.
Vidya, that's so true,
and
because
that's something that
that's what you're saying is actually becoming the whole point of how are these individuals so easily getting Aadhaar identity cards, voter ID cards, and that's something that needs to be looked into. It's not just about the intrusion, it's how they are able to settle in cities and cause the kind of disturbances that we are seeing. Because remember, even with Saif Ali Khan's case, it happened to be injury. This could have gone much more fatal too.